Welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. And while you're here, please don't forget like, share, and subscribe. You know, all the gist. But I'm coming on here to show you guys briefly on how I make this wig. It's not a full video, but I'm getting clips of how I made this video. This is basically a quick weave wig. I sewed my closure down, but I glued my bundles because I want to use this hair again and do something else with it. But I used this stocking cap, the deluxe wig cap, argan oil. And the reason I got this cap is because it said that it was a no slip. So, and I needed no slip because my hair is kind of small and the dome caps do not work well. The wig always end up being too big or something like that. So I always use wig caps now to do my wigs. So if you got a small head, these stocking caps is what's going now. You don't have to get the olive oil stocking cap. You can use the regular stocking cap that's like $1.99, because that one comes two in with that one. I can't talk. That one comes with two in it, but this one only had one. So this is the stocking cap that I use, and I got some bundles from my local beauty supply store. Y'all, if you haven't watched my other hair videos on bundles, y'all know I like to go to my local beauty supply store and get my bundles because those work just as well as someone that's selling them, and I haven't had any issues. A lot of issues. I did have some hair that didn't bleach or something, but this is the Wet and Wavy hair, and it came with a closure. So I got the 16, 18, and 20. And my closure, it said my closure was 16 inches. Okay. So I have a video on Wet and Wavy hair, but it's the Shake and Go Wet and Wavy. These are bundles of Wet and Wavy from a different beauty supply store. And it's a different kind of curl pattern. So yeah, everything I use will be down below, so I won't forget anything. So if you want to see how I got this look with this wig, please continue to watch the video. Okay, you all, like I said at the beginning, here's a small clip of me gluing my bundles down on a stocking cap. And if you keep watching, you're going to see me fold over the hair, use the fold over method, because I did not want to cut this hair because I plan on doing another style using the same hair. This is what the hair looks like in its natural state, but right after this clip I went ahead and wet the hair because I was so desperate to see what the curl pattern was like. Hey guys, so y'all just finished watching a snippet or a small video of me doing this wig here. I already wet it because I really wanted to see the curl pattern, so I went ahead and wet it. In this clip I'm going to be gluing the closure down because I don't want to sew the whole thing down because I want to be able to take it off. So So I'm just gonna glue the closure part down, and then I'm gonna wet it some more and put some conditioner on it. So yeah, let's get started. And look, don't judge me. I know my braids is not right under here, and I look like a little, I don't know what I look like, but I'm gonna get it together. So let's start the video. We're going to use this lace wig bun glue. It's called Luxury Wig Fashion. I'm going to use this lip liner to mark where I want my wig to stop, and you can use lip liner, eyeliner, whatever you want to use, whatever shows up. Once I mark where I want my wig to stop, I'm going to put one layer of glue, only one layer, because like I said, I want to be able to take it off, and blow dry it until it's completely clear. Make sure it's completely clear, and then start laying your wig down. Once you lay it down, and if you have any parts that's lifting up, go ahead and put more glue on that part, and then begin blow drying and pushing it down. Make sure you take a silk scarf and tie your hair down for at least 10 minutes. Not a cotton scarf, because it would leave cotton and other things in front of your head. Once I do my baby hair that I spend too much time on, I'm going to use water and Just For Me conditioner to bring this wig alive. I used a lot of water and a lot of conditioner. I know Just For Me conditioner for the kids may seem crazy to use on your wig, but trust me, it works. Watch at the end. But that's enough of me talking in this video, and I hope you guys continue to watch and enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Put my makeup on, change clothes and everything, and now the hair is fully dry, and this is what it looks like. I love it. I'm loving this hair. I try not to put my hands through it because I don't want to get real frizzy. So yeah, that's hard. It's harder than you think not to just run your hands through some hair. So I'm gonna leave it alone. But the water and the Just For Me condition, smooth and curl did work. So pretty. So pretty. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.